Welcome back to today's video, and I will be reviewing the Mizon Egg White Bubble Cleanser. This is what the bottle looks like, and it's supposed to gently clean the face and also effectively remove makeup. I know a lot of people have different opinions about foam washes. However, they seem to work for me and my skin really well. They say it can be used by all skin types, but I think differently. Let me start with the ingredient list. Some of you might be really concerned about what you put on your face, and then there are some that don't really care. This ingredient list should help you decide. I use this twice a day, once in the morning with just my fingers, and then in the evening with a cleansing brush for about 30 seconds. I feel that this really works for me. I have been using this for about 2.5 months now, regularly, and I feel like this has helped my skin. This, of course, with some other products that I've been currently trying. Just half a pump is more than enough for me in the morning and about a pump for the evening. I do really like this, and I would highly recommend it if you have the 3 skin types: combination, oily, and normal. In case you have dry, I feel that this can be a little dry in my opinion, but if you use an hydrating toner and an hydrating moisturizer, I think you should be fine. I would not recommend this if you do have sensitive skin or sensitive eyes, as this may sting and burn because of the fragrance in it. It does have a light scent, which doesn't bother me too much. This product was sent to me by a website here in the UAE called powder.ae. However, I have reviewed it, and this is my unbiased review. This is a Korean beauty product and can be found on so many other websites across the world. I would suggest a couple of websites like YesStyle.com, Beauty Bay, and I will also add a link down in the description box down below to Amazon. This is a cruelty-free company, and the bottle is priced at 125 AED here in the UAE on powder.ae and is a 150 ml bottle. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next. Bye!